Imagine having a secret weapon in your daily life that not only boosts your memory, but also sharpens your focus like never before. What if I told you that weapon isn't a superdrug or a mysterious ancient technique, but something you encounter every day? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where AI tools are designed to unlock your brain's true potential. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of AI tools crafted specifically to enhance cognitive abilities and productivity. These aren't just flashy gadgets or software, they're game changers for how we think and work. In a world where information overload can drown out your mental clarity, AI offers a lifeline. Consider it a personal assistant for your brain, sorting through the chaos and helping you focus on what truly matters. Whether you're a student trying to ace those exams, a professional aiming to climb the career ladder, or simply someone looking to make the most out of your everyday tasks, AI tools are here to amplify your cognitive performance. Let's explore how these tools can transform the way you approach challenges and boost your mental capabilities. But how exactly does AI improve memory and sharpen focus? Let's break it down. Memory enhancement using AI is like upgrading your brain's storage capacity. AI tools can help you retain and recall information by organizing it in ways your brain naturally finds appealing. Take, for example, AI-powered note-taking apps. These tools don't just store your notes, they analyze patterns, draw connections, and even remind you of critical information when you need it most. It's like having a librarian in your pocket, ready to fetch the exact book you've been thinking of. When it comes to sharpening focus, AI helps reduce distractions and keeps you on track. Apps that use machine learning can learn your work habits and adapt accordingly to keep you in the zone. Imagine an AI that can tell when you're most productive and adjust your workload to match those peak times. Or a tool that minimizes digital distractions by blocking notifications and websites that tend to break your concentration. These AI innovations act as gatekeepers, allowing only the essential tasks through, so you can focus on being your most productive self. Now, let's bring these concepts to life with some real-world examples of people benefiting from AI-driven cognitive tools. Meet Jane, a busy marketing executive juggling multiple campaigns and endless meetings. Jane used to struggle with keeping all her tasks in line, often feeling overwhelmed. Then she discovered AI task management tools. These tools not only help her prioritize tasks through intelligent algorithms, but also offer insights into her work patterns, recommending optimal times for meetings and deep focus work. The result: higher productivity, less stress, and more time for creative thinking. Another example is Tom, a university student who is finding it difficult to retain vast amounts of information for his finals. By incorporating AI learning platforms that tailor study plans based on his learning style, Tom managed to improve his memory retention significantly. These platforms use AI to customize quizzes and flashcards, targeting areas where Tom needed the most practice. As a result, he found his study sessions more effective and his grades improved. And then, there's Lisa, a freelance graphic designer who often battled with creative blocks. She started using AI brainstorming tools that suggested design elements and color palettes based on the latest trends and her previous work. With these AI tools, Lisa doesn't just generate ideas faster, she also explores new creative directions she hadn't considered before. The AI acts as a collaborative partner, expanding her creative horizons while optimizing her workflow. These are just a few examples of how AI tools are being used in the real world to enhance cognitive performance and productivity. Each person, from different walks of life, has found a way to leverage AI to overcome their unique challenges, proving that the potential benefits are vast and varied. So, what's next? How do scientific studies support these claims about AI's impact on brain performance? What evidence do we have to back this up? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the scientific world, unraveling studies and data that validate the transformative power of AI in our everyday lives. In the ever-evolving field of cognitive enhancement, it's essential to consider the solid foundation provided by scientific research. Numerous studies have delved into the impact of AI on cognitive performance, offering a compelling case for the transformative power of these tools. For instance, a study published in a leading psychology journal explored the use of AI-driven personalized learning platforms. The research revealed that students who utilized AI in their study routines showed a significant increase in retention rates and comprehension levels compared to those who followed traditional study methods. The adaptive nature of AI, which tailors educational content to align with individual learning styles, was highlighted as a key factor contributing to these positive outcomes. Moreover, neuroscientists have been keenly interested in how AI can influence neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. By creating smart learning environments that adjust to a user's progress, AI tools can reinforce neural pathways, thereby enhancing learning efficiency. These findings underscore the idea that AI doesn't just support cognitive tasks, it actively participates in reshaping our cognitive architecture, priming our brains for optimal performance. On the productivity end of the spectrum, AI's impact is equally profound. Studies have shown that AI tools can significantly reduce time spent on mundane tasks, freeing up mental bandwidth for more creative and strategic endeavors. Consider the role of AI in automating administrative tasks, such as scheduling meetings or managing emails. By offloading these repetitive activities to AI, professionals can focus more on tasks that require critical thinking and innovation. Statistics indicate that this shift not only boosts productivity, but also enhances job satisfaction, as individuals feel more engaged with their work when they're not bogged down by routine chores. Transitioning to the practical implementation of these insights, integrating AI into your daily tasks can be a game changer. Let's explore some strategies to effectively incorporate AI tools into your routine, maximizing both time savings and efficiency. Start by identifying areas where you spend the most time or encounter the most cognitive load. Is it managing your email inbox? Perhaps it's organizing your calendar or generating reports. Once you've pinpointed these areas, introduce AI solutions specifically designed to tackle them. For instance, AI email assistants can categorize, prioritize, and even draft responses for you, significantly reducing the time you spend sifting through your inbox. In project management, AI tools can analyze workflow data to predict project timelines, identify potential bottlenecks, and suggest resource allocations. By leveraging these insights, teams can streamline operations and improve collaboration. This kind of AI integration not only enhances individual productivity, but can also lead to substantial improvements in team dynamics and overall organizational performance. As we look to the future, the potential of AI technologies to transform both personal and professional life is boundless. AI-powered personalized assistants are becoming more intuitive and context-aware, capable of understanding not just commands, but intentions and preferences. Imagine a future where your AI assistant can anticipate your needs before you even express them, whether it's preparing a meeting agenda based on prior discussions or suggesting meals based on your dietary preferences and schedule. Furthermore, the rise of AI in mental health support carries enormous promise. AI tools that monitor your habits and offer feedback on stress levels or sleep patterns can play a crucial role in maintaining mental well-being. These technologies are evolving to offer not just insights but actionable recommendations, such as meditation techniques or exercise routines tailored to your mood and energy levels. The integration of AI into mental health services could democratize access to support, providing personalized care at scale. In the workplace, AI's role is set to expand beyond enhancing productivity to fostering innovation and creativity. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up time for professionals to engage in brainstorming sessions, explore new ideas, and take on more strategic roles. Companies that embrace AI-driven cultural shifts report higher levels of innovation and employee satisfaction, positioning themselves ahead of the curve in fast-paced industries. As we wrap up this exploration into how AI tools can amplify cognitive performance, it's clear that we're at the dawn of a new era in human-machine collaboration. The potential to unlock your brain's full capabilities is not just a futuristic fantasy. It's a reality that's unfolding right now, with AI at the helm. By embracing these tools and integrating them thoughtfully into our lives, we can enhance not only our cognitive abilities, but also our overall quality of life. If you're fascinated by how AI is reshaping our world and want to stay updated on the latest tools and trends, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Together, we can navigate this exciting landscape of artificial intelligence and discover new ways to boost our cognitive performance and productivity. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations that could change the way you think and work.